Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hi everyone.
We are here today at Disney Springs. Now, I actually came to Disney Springs yesterday. Some of those clips will be included because we had some of the nightlife. But we came here again in the daytime this time to get in line for Gideons, as yesterday they were completely booked out for the evening, like they were at capacity.
Yes.
And today is the last day, apparently, to halfway to Halloween.
Yes.
And we have to go to Gideons because they had something special there for the celebration.
What is it?
It is a special kind of cookie.
Oh.
'Cause every month they have a different cookie, but this one specifically, they're like, let's make for halfway to Halloween. Yes.
Oh.
It's the same way they have like ones for Christmas, Halloween, other kind of holidays like that.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go have some cookies, Annie?
Yes, let's go see what they have for Halloween. Halfway to Halloween.
Yep. Disney Springs has opened up about 30-ish minutes ago. They open up at 10 o'clock in the morning. And it's already quite busy as we walk towards Gideon's. Everyone's coming to the shopping district to get their shopping done.
Yeah. We're having dinner, breakfast.
Yeah, brunch.
Or brunch. Or, oh yeah, but that.
Yeah. They have two kinds of menus here at Gideon's today. They actually have this one for halfway to Halloween, and then the regular menu, like the main menu, because they change it every single month. The first one, the halfway to Halloween, looks like a little imp costume. The second one are two daring demonicos, like little gargoyles. And since we are through the main menu, it says, soaring through the air at a dizzying height, the daring demonicos will astound you with their death-defying acts of flight, identical twins that never agree, one loves nuts, the other is chocolatey. Peanut butter chocolate swirl will be this cookie, the monthly cookie for this month, well, the cookie for this month, sorry. Alongside their other morning exclusive cakes, their handmade cookies, and then the bites, and the cake slices, and the nitro brews. Front line to meet the owners of Gideon's, like the founders, and get your like little autographs and pictures. It's pretty long. I mean, it's down towards the Sanuk store, wrapping around towards Gideon's. Hi. Sorry,
Oh, no. I would be too if I were baking in the sun for as long as you. Hey, Patrick, can we get a handful of these? Because some of them are not even. I want to get you a better card. Because I don't like the ones that are. They seem to be cut a little messed up. Yeah. And you deserve better. How are you doing today?
I am sweaty and hot, but I'm excited.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay.
I was
kind of looking at your whole outfit like he is probably dying.
This is me every day of the year. So.
Fun fact, I learned what would be alternative, but I'm just like, I live in Florida.
Yeah, I mean, I just make it happen. So here's the deal for me: is I'm just hot all the time. If I'm wearing shorts and a tank top, I'm hot. If I'm wearing a jean jacket, I'm hot. It doesn't really matter to me. And I have a lot of hair under here, so when my hair's down, it's worse than the beanie. Yeah. So if you had your hair down today, it would just like. Yeah. So I hide it all in a cool cashmere beanie.
I have to ask you about what's the gargoyle like?
The gargoyle-like in what sense?
What's his personality? Because I have my own little one. Like, and Bertram does not take very well to that guy.
He is a grumpy little creature.
Oh, sounds like my cat.
But to me, he's very much like a cat. There's a lot of loyalty here, but there's also, I would say, a lot of guilt. A lot of guilt. So.
My little menu cards here signed at Gideon's Bakehouse from both the owner and the artist who actually does all of this stuff.
Yes, he's there too.
They're very nice. Yeah, they're both very nice. And I like how he kind of included I asked him about the gargoyle and he kind of gave like little like lore they had building up to Gideon's. Yeah. That's cool. I love when it's like establishments build up like lore about their actual business. Yeah. It's cool. It makes it more immersive. Finally, we're into Gideon's Bakehouse after how long we've been waiting, man?
2 hours, but we weren't waiting exactly.
Pretty close to it.
It was a virtual queue.
Virtual queue, yeah.
And do other things, right?
Yep. And now we're heading in officially to Gideon's Bakehouse. Are you excited, Nanny?
Yeah. We're going to get a nice cookie. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
This is the one, the color?
Yeah, those are too. The worker outside, she gave us a little halfway to Halloween. These are part of the new trading cards they have.
Yes.
It's the same design as the halfway to Halloween cards. Again, I do love the aesthetic here in Gideon's Bakehouse. as it is an old Victorian style, sort of gothic elegance to it. And the inside looks sort of like an old library, like someone's old study. And I always make the joke, I would love for my library or my study area in general just to look like this. Exactly like this, with all the dried herbs, smelling like freshly baked cookies as well. So this place is always busy. It's always busy here in Gideon's. I will say, and today is exceptionally busy, as it is the last day for halfway to Halloween. I never ever get tired of looking at things inside of Gideon's because there's always so much like hidden details on everything in here. I have to wonder, do you think they have an original copy of Dracula in here?
Maybe.
Maybe Bram Stoker's Frankenstein?
Is that Halloween cake?
I have to ask. Let's ask some of the workers, shall we? If I had to say, it's a very Tim Burton-esque sort of aesthetic in here, especially the art on the walls. And each one of these characters on the wall has their own sort of story.
Yeah.
It's why they're also represented on the menus for the month.
Every month,
Of course, you cannot forget about the ginormous cake slices they have here at Gideon's, and they're just as rich and delicious as the cookies. It looks like toffee or peanut butter. That looks like a delectable red velvet.
But maybe is this Halloween? You think it's Halloween?
I'll have to ask, because it kind of looks like a blood drips off the cake. And look,
the green one up there.
This looks like a dirt cake.
Yeah, look at the one up there.
Oh yeah, you can see it too. There's some more cookies over here. Cookies and cream, peanut butter crunch, original chocolate chip, and a few more. You guys can also see some of like the little bites in the back there, alongside some other things. Looks like little candles. So that's a Halloween cake for the month?
Yeah.
The halfway Halloween cake.
Yes, today's the last day.
Oh my gosh, we have to get a slice then.
Yes.
Hey, do you know what I like?
Yeah.
The little red thing here, it kind of makes a glow on their faces. Looks like you're about to tell me a scary story.
I don't have any scary stories.
Not the Telltale Heart, not the Call of Cthulhu. What's the scariest story you know?
The story of my boyfriend having to tell me what I look like in the morning when I wake up.
We got our Gideon's cookies. That was what we came here for originally.
Yes, especially the cookie of the month, right?
Yeah, and they also had the cake slice for halfway to Halloween.
Yeah, so we were lucky to get that because there was only 2 slices left.
Yeah, that's true. From the ganache treat, they have a halfway to Halloween treat. Sisters Elixir Cauldron Cocoa Bomb. And it has the 3 sisters from Hocus Pocus on it. Let's head to the ganache tree and see if we can get it. Well, they have a Hocus Pocus decoration inside the ganache tree. But it says that they're out of the Hocus Pocus Cocoa Bombs because it's a limited supply. There is some promotional material outside of the AMC for Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. We have to see that movie, don't we, Nan?
Yeah, that's why there's so much people here today.
Most likely.
So many things going on today.
Yes, that is true. Salt and Straw, which has recently opened here at Disney Springs, is pretty busy. There's a long line to get in and try any of the ice cream flavors.
You were here last week, right?
Yes, we were here last week for the opening.
Yeah.
That will be linked in my description below. Check that video out, you guys. They have new flavors for Salt and Straw. These limited edition one, they have like pistachio rosewater and strawberry mochi, crystallized flower petals, stuff like that.
How much have you get? You show us this.
I got the honey lavender from Salt and Straw. What did you get, Mom?
The Panther Coffee Chocolate. It's very rich. Very rich.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
It's pretty good. Out of all the flavors I tried, I like this one the best.
Well, you do like coffee already.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Which one did you get, Nan?
The strawberry with honey and balsamic.
Balsamic?
Yeah.
With black pepper?
Yeah.
Interesting. Oh, look at that. They have these holographic Mickey t-shirts right here. These are going to be $36.99. Sorry, my bad. I love this. It's a corduroy skirt with turning red, like little designs on it. Turn it over. $49.99.
Cute.
That is very cute. Oh, they have the ramen bowls here.
Oh,
Look at how cute those are. We were, because I like ramen. And the bowls are adorable. They have 2 bowls. One of May and the other has 4 town designs on it. $29.99. That's not bad. And look at the mug of May. Oh. Oh, it has her tail and everything. It's like a 3D mug. That's cute. How much is it, Nan? $19.99. That's not bad. More holographic Mickey t-shirts. This one just says Mickey Mouse on behind of a silhouette of Mickey Mouse. These are going to be, let me see, $44.99. Baymax t-shirt. I haven't seen Big Hero 6 merchandise in a while. How much is a sweatshirt? $64.99.
I like the t-shirt.
The t-shirt is very cute, yeah.
Hugs all day.
Do you remember when you used to be able to meet Baymax at Epcot?
Yeah. Can you? Is he back?
No, that used to be a thing.
Yeah.
Back when we still had the walk-through tunnels. Look at that! The teacups is transferred from the Magic Kingdom over to Disney Springs. Stitch! Oh, look at that! I know! It's going to be $36.99. Some Tomorrowland merchandise. This one is a sweatshirt that says Tomorrowland Dreamer. This one says Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Then a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. It's also a very nice ringer shirt with Tomorrowland. See, the tomorrow is featured today. Mickey Waffle Spirit jersey. They had the pretzel one, but these ones are Mickey waffles now. The front just has like a waffle texture with a little pat of butter. The actual fabric has like Mickey waffles on it. The back of it is Walt Disney World with more waffle patterns on them.
Smells like waffle.
Nope, the lounge flies smell like waffles.
This too smells like
Wait,
waffle.
does it?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh my god, it does smell like waffles. It smells like freshly baked waffles too.
You like that and smell it.
What?
like that and
Oh, it's a
smell
scratch and sniff?
Yeah, smell it.
Oh, it does. Oh, wow. The lounge fly bags. Oh, these are the pretzel lounge fly bags. These ones smell like pretzels.
It does?
Mm-hmm. Take a big whiff.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that weird? Kitchen sink keychains. These are from the ice cream store in the Magic Kingdom. From Gideons, these are going to be our box of cookies, and then the cake slice. We actually brought them home because it was pretty hot that day when we went to Gideons, and we didn't want anything to melt out in the sun, so we came right back home to enjoy it here. And inside we have the cookies. They're all individually wrapped, which we really like. They all have the different, I really like the aesthetic too, how it continues on into the boxes, and the wrapping paper for Gideons. And then the cake slice. These are actually like it's actually a different box for it. They include like a little fork and everything in case you want to eat your cake and like when you buy it. They also have it wrapped up. However, they put like a piece of wax paper over the cake so it protects it from the rest of like the Gideon's wrapping. It's very thoughtful. We like that. And now I think I'm going to enjoy one of these cookies, and I'll definitely let you guys know if it's just as good as last time. I forgot to mention this. I think I mentioned it inside the bakery, but if you buy 3 or more cookies, they actually slip a little trading card inside of your box.
They're gonna be trading those cards now, right?
Mm-hmm. They are trading these cards now, yeah.
Maybe another trend.
And here are each of the 3 cookies that we bought from Gideons. pistachio chocolate. And then the cookie of the month, which was like a swirl peanut butter chocolate.
This one.
Had that one. Right there, this one's the pistachio one. And then this one,
broke.
yeah, this one's the chocolate. It broke on the way over. This is the cookie of the month from Gideon's. It is a peanut butter chocolate swirl, inspired by the, every month in Gideon's they have like a little thing where they change out the menus to represent one of the different sort of lore characters that they have made. This represents the circus twins, because one likes chocolate, one likes peanut butter.